Hello everybody, Tom Cook from Ducky's Boats in Middletown, Pennsylvania. Coming to you with this beautiful used 2022 StarCraft Marine Sls1. This boat does have a VF175 high output Yamaha 4-stroke, stainless prop, hydraulic steering, 60-gallon stern fuel tank. You can see it has the upgraded heavy-duty stainless swim ladder and ski tow bar in the stern of the boat, along with some exceptionally clean rigging by Ducky's, along with the Yamaha Marine water separating fuel filter, 60-gallon in pontoon fuel tank. It's in the center tune. These gentlemen had upgraded to a stainless steel Magma gas grill, along with a custom pedestal mount. And if you check out the sides of this boat, there's literally almost no sign of use anywhere. Pontoons are in excellent shape. They are not dinged or dented. Spray fins are nice and clean. Underneath the boat, they do have the heavy hatch structure, which is the heaviest frame structure StarCraft offers. Your stainless steel rub rail, extruded keels the full length of the pontoon. Nice spare tire in good shape. Have steps on the bow stand. Nice LED docking lights in the bow of the boat, along with your stainless steel cleats. Weave flooring. In the stern of the boat, you will find dual batteries with an on-off switch. Everything here is wired up nice. At the helm of the SLS, you'll find your switch panel, full gauge package. This here does have a Garmin 63 CV, and it is also connected to the NEMA system, which shows you all your different engine functions. See, this boat here is very low hours at 142.8. You also have your tilt helm with hydraulic steering, Yamaha controls. All the seats in this boat are like brand new. Also, you have a super nice, clean install Rockford Fosgate 10-inch subwoofer. This also does have an amplifier, which we'll show you in just a moment. See, there is your Kenwood. This is a 1600 watt maximum power amplifier. Wired up super nice and clean. All your goodies for your NEMA 2000. And right in the center of the boat here, this is awesome. Have nice deep in-floor storage, plenty of room for skis, a wakeboard, deflated tube, any type of gear, possibly a small kid. Just another quick look at the seats. They do have cup holders everywhere, if you can see right back here. Both front helm chairs. And in both the seats, split seats in the back. Don't miss out on your chance to own this super clean, low-hour StarCraft SLS1. Call Ducky's today, 717-944-4232, www.duckysboats.com.